Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 EVS Chapter 20 Eating Together. The purpose of this video is to make kids understand. The answers are just for reference only. Students are highly recommended to write their own answers. Class Party. So after the vacations, the school reopened and children are discussing about their holiday spent. So when they were discussing, they discussed how a girl enjoyed wedding feast. So then they decided to have the same fun together at school. David said, I have an idea, why don't we have a class party? So after discussing, they are planning to have a class party where each one brings some food. So they decided to have a party on Saturday, which is half a day. So everyone in the class decided what each would bring for the party. On Saturday, the children really enjoyed the party. There was so much variety in food. They played so many games. Everybody was so relaxed. There was singing and dancing too. They decided that they would have such a party again. So this is fun, isn't it? So you can also have such party in your school. Now let's discuss about such parties. Write in your notebook, do you like to eat with others? So I can write yes or no. On what occasions do you eat together with your friends? Either it is festivals or family functions. You can write during functions, festivals and lunch break in our school. I eat together with my friends. Have you ever had a party in your class, Ben? What all did you do to arrange a party? Yes, we had many parties in our class. So it was held on Republic Day. We arranged a cook, sparkle lights, ingredients to prepare food, vehicles for pickup and drop, and invitation cards. You can also discuss in which occasion you had party. What did you and your classmates bring to the party? We brought flags, balloons, sparkle powder, etc. to the party. Next, what all did you eat? So we can discuss what all did you eat, like dal, pulav, sabji or puri, potatoes, sweets. So you can discuss all that you had on that day. Next, who were the people you invited for your party? You can write about the chief guests or families of all the teachers and parents of students were the people invited for the party. Next, did you wear any special dress for the party? So you can write yes, we wore party dress for the function. Next question, what are the things that you can do to make party greater fun for everyone? Discuss. So you can have dance function or singing to make this makes the party greater fun for everyone. Next, celebrating Bihu. So Bihu is a festival in Assam. So Uruka is the evening before Bihu. See here, this is the Uruka, this is the evening before Bihu. Bora and Cheva are common varieties of rice used in Assam. So this is a festival happening in Assam. So this is a harvesting festival that is celebrated in Assam. So the village was celebrating the festival of Bihu. 4 friends sang and chatted happily as they made belagar. So this belagar is made of wood and bamboo sticks. Let us read how they celebrated Bihu. So they were 4 friends, Sonmoni, Tanvir, Fatima and Mazani. Sonmoni. So what she says is, we must finish making the belagar of ras and bamboo before the feast night. So it is one thing which is made from grass, wooden pieces, bamboo. So Tanvi says, yes, today is Uruka. The whole village will eat together. Fatima says, have they started preparing the feast? So Sonmoni says, yes, everyone has contributed money to buy the bora rice, firewood, bamboo and maize. Hariya and Badia have not given money, but they are helping with all the work. Fatima says, what about the meat, fish and vegetables? Sonmani says, some people have gone to the market to buy all these things. Pura rice has been soaked. The whole village is busy making pitta. Some people are cooking and some are roasting the sweet potatoes. Some will help to serve the food at night. In the evening, everyone will be served tea and pitta. So this is a ritual that is happening on the day of Bihu. So can you look at the Assam? So this greenish one is the Assam. So here it is in Indian map. Where is the festival of Bihu celebrated? Bihu is the festival celebrated in Assam. So which are the festivals you celebrate together with other families? You can write Deepavali, Holi, Eid, Dasara. So you can discuss about the festivals. Does everyone cook and eat together on such festivals? What are some of the special dishes that are cooked? How they are cooked? How are they cooked? So everyone does not cook and eat together on such festivals, but most of them celebrate festivals together. So we can mention the special dishes. So these are the special dishes that cooked on Holi. So you can also discuss the special dishes which they prepare on the particular festival. Are some special vessels used for cooking these items? What are they? Yes, special vessels like kadai, because it is something which is big and made of iron, so it is easy to cook food for more members. So which is the biggest vessel that is used? Can you draw a picture of it? Can you guess how many people can eat the food that is cooked in it at one time? So kadai is the biggest vessel. So more than 100 people can eat the food that is cooked in it at one time. Next, this is belagar. So you can seeing here is it. This is belagar. This is made up of grass, bamboo. 4 friends ran off to change the clothes. Soon all the people in the village got together at one place. The women were dressed in yellow. They wore beautiful mekhala chadur. So this is the dress variety that they wore while dancing. So all the friends were there. The drum started to play and everyone started to sing and dance. The belagar was set all alight as people danced around it. So around this, many people danced. Everyone danced till they were tired. Then they all sat down on the ground in rows and ready to eat. The food was served on banana leaves. Everyone enjoyed the feast. So this is how they celebrated the festival. Find out and do. Can you guess how many people must have eaten together in the village feast? So I can guess people. So from 500 to 1000 people must have eaten the food together in the village feast. Have you ever seen the Bihu dance? Do you like it? Did you like it? So I can write whether you have seen such a dance or not. So this is Bihu dance. You can see in the picture. Next, find out from the students in your class the festivals that they celebrate and the special food that they eat on these days. Who cooks the special food for festivals? So this is the festival celebrated, special food they eat on these days. Diwali, they used to do sweets, puri, laddu, sabji. Bakrid, they cook mutton, chicken, biryani. Holi, pulav, mutton, pua. Eid, they prepare Sivayan. So these are the special food that is that is prepared on the particular occasion. Do you wear clothes of some special colors on some festivals? Make a picture of these clothes in your notebook. So you can also draw. Next, are there special songs that are sung at different festivals in your place? So you can also sing such songs in your class and have fun. Learn some special festival dances. Perform these with your friends in your school assembly. Many dances are there which are performed on the festival. So you can discuss and rehearsal for the dance and you can perform it on your school assembly. When you meet friends of your own age, do you do anything special like play a game, chat, or watch a movie? What else do you do? So you can write whether you play games or watch TV or chat. So what else you can do? You can eat together, talk with them. Next, we are going to see midday meal. So this is a meal plan which is happening in most of the government schools for students, where they provide food for children. Midday meal. It is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The smell of food cooking is coming from the veranda and our stomachs are rumbling. We are so hungry we are not able to pay attention to the lesson in class. Ding, ding, ding. At last now the bell rang. All the children ran out and went to wash their hands. Master Moshe sent all the children to the hand pump at the corner of the courtyard. So all washed their hands properly. After washing their hands, they all stood in the queue. Some had their own boxes and others had plates. They sat in a circle and they had food together. So today, on that day, it was rice with vegetable gravy. So yesterday it was luchi and chola dal. So they were discussing about the food they have during the midday meal. There is another interesting thing about lunchtime at school. Every day we change our places in the circle and sit next to a different child. I really like this because I can meet new children and make new friends. Food was not always very nice. Sometimes it was poor quality. Sometimes it might not be properly cooked. Some parents did not like their children to eat such food. Didi Moni explained to them it was everyone's duty to make sure that the children got fresh, hot, and properly cooked food. Also, make sure that every child gets afternoon meal regularly. The parents also decided to help. Now things are better. They eat fresh, hot, and properly cooked food together. The younger children sometimes cannot finish all the food, but my friends and I are sometimes still a little hungry even after we eat. So this is about the quantity of food they get. Some people get very less, which is enough. It might be enough for the younger children, but for elder children sometimes they might still feel hungry. Nowadays many schools give food in school during the day. It was not always like this. When my Didi was in the primary school, children did not get afternoon meal in school. Some children come to school in the morning without eating anything. Imagine having to study on an empty stomach. So this was a plan scheme that is provided in government side to help children having their food at school. Find out and write in your notebook. Write about the food given in your school. If you do not get food in school, ask a friend or someone else who gets food in school. So what was the food that is given? So you can write on your own and discuss with your friends. What time is the meal served? So either it will be 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock or 1:30. You can ask the time. What do you get in the meal at school? So either you can write dal, egg, bread, vegetable, rice. These are the varieties of food that you get in the meal at school. You can discuss with your friends and write. Do you like the midday meal that you get? So you can ask the friend that they like or not like. Is the food that you get enough for you? You can ask the amount, how much they get. So yes, the food given is enough for me. Do you bring your own plate or do you get it in school? You can ask about the plate. We bring our own plate to school every day. In some school they might have some place where they keep all the plates in one place. So this can also be practiced. Who serves the food? The food is served by peon. Do your teachers eat with you? Yes, our teachers eat with us. Is this week's menu put up on the school board? So you can write whether it is displayed on the school board or not. What will you get on Wednesday and Friday? So you can ask the menu and write. If you got a chance to change the menu for the meal in your school, what would you like to change? What would you like to eat? Make your own menu. So if you want to change the menu plan, you can suggest in which day you want to change and what is the meal you want to suggest. Next, if you do not get food in the school, find out why. So you can ask your teachers or principal why it is not served. Food was not served in a school as the cook was sick. There might be some reason why you do not get food in the school. So either it is you don't get the groceries, or that there might be some strike, or the cook was sick. You can find out the reason. Where will you lodge your complaint about the midday meal? So you can also have a complaint about this midday meal. If you don't get the proper food, if you don't get the hygiene food, or if the food is not cooked properly, so you can write such complaint in this portal mygov.in. So these are the government portals where you can raise complaints. Find out the toll-free phone number, the website or email address to make a complaint. You can search. So this is the given phone number, or you can directly complain in the website. Midday meal, every child's right. Every child has a right to have a midday meal. Midday meal, every child's right. Many children in our country are not able to get even one full meal every day. Many of them go to school empty stomach and cannot study properly. Some years ago, the highest court of our country gave an important decision. All children up to elementary school should be provided with hot cooked food. This is the right of every child. So this is about midday meal, every child's right. Hope this video is clear and understanding. If you have any doubt, you can just comment. Thanks for watching.